guys, and welcome to our second chapter in the Shuffle Dance Beginner Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a very technical move called the V-step. So I'm going to be teaching you facing the back so you can copy me exactly the way you see me. So let's get started. The first thing that I want you to do is to stand like this, where your knees are turning in and your heels are out. Okay? Also, I want you to bend your knees and I want your knees to be kissing. Okay? Now, put your hands like this and I want you to move your right foot like this. Heel and bring it back to the center. Let's do this small move 8 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Now I want you to move your left foot like this. Shift your weight to your toes and bring your heel in and come back 8 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. So now we're gonna do heel, toes, bring it back. Heel, toes, back, like this. Heel, add your toes and come back to the center. Again. Heel, toes, back. 8 times. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Good. Now, let's try doing it at the same time. Boom! Boom! Okay, let's try 8 times slow. 7, go. Heel, toes, come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, shake your legs. Please make sure that your right foot is on your heel and your left foot is on your toes. From this position, we're gonna turn our knees out. Boom! And come back. Don't move your legs like this. I'm not moving at all. I'm staying in the same spot. Boom! Boom! Okay, let's try another 8 times. 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing! Now we're gonna do the same exact thing to the other side, which is our left side. Let's break it down. Left foot, heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, don't forget to start the move from this position. Your knees should be in, kissing. And bend your knees when you come back, okay? Now, our right foot is doing the opposite. Bring your weight to your toes and turn your heel in 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we're gonna do heel, toes in. Heel, toes in. 7, go. Heel, toes in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now we're gonna try at the same time to the left, like this. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This move is a little bit technical. It will take a lot of practice, but once you get it, it's so fun to do. I promise you won't stop doing it. Now we're gonna do right side, left side, right side, left side. Slow. We're gonna do right, left, 7, go. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go over some tips and tricks that can really help you. Make sure that you start the move from this position. I see a lot of people do this. They straight their legs. You really want to bend your knees so you can make the move big, like this. Okay, so don't forget to bend your knees and turn your knees in when you start. Second tip, take your body weight slightly forward. It really helps. Another tip that I have for you, don't forget that the move is called V-step. It means that you want to create a V shape between your feet. Okay, so now the V is behind me, but once I move my feet like this, you can see the shape. Okay? V. So always think about, okay, I need to create a V. Yeah. Like this. Maybe this will help you. Also, don't forget to shift your weight to your heel and your toes. Heel, toes. Heel, toes. Also to the other side. Heel, toes, out. Boom. In terms of your arms, you can do a lot of cool stuff. You can do a snap. Every time your heels are out, you do the snap. Boom, 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 boom. I really like doing this. You can also look away. When you do your right side, you look to the right and then the left. When you add your head to the move, it adds a lot of style. Okay, you can play around with it. You can roll your arms. You can do a whole bunch of things. I'm just showing you so you know what you can do. Okay, guys, let's practice 8 times slow, 8 times a little bit faster, and 8 times really fast. Good job, guys. As I said before, this move is a little bit tricky. Once you get it, it becomes so easy. You will love it. So practice as much as you can, and I'll see you on the next one.